you know how to play Chutes and Ladders. It's a game that can easily be used to practice prepositions. The obvious place to start is to practice saying up each time you land on a space with a ladder, and down each time you land on a space with a chute, which we would today call a slide. But there's so much more you could do. Today we're going to play the game Chutes and Ladders. And when we start today, we're really going to focus on the words up and down, that we go up a ladder and down a chute, up and down. And to help focus our attentions on those words, I've added some color coding to my purple bridge for
up
and
down.
So whenever somebody lands on a ladder, they have to say up. If somebody lands on a chute, they have to say down. And for every turn that a person takes, they're going to draw from the stack and say another preposition. So let's just look how that works. Oh, the first one's got one. Oh, you landed on a ladder. So you can say
up.
Good job. Next person's turn. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. They landed on the bottom of a chute, but that's okay. So you draw a card, and we're going to say under, under.
Under.
Next person's turn. Also a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. Word out.
Out.
Next person's turn. 1. They get to go up.
Up.
So everyone took a turn, and they had a chance to say at least one preposition. So you'd keep going and play the entire game. Maybe the next time you play, you want to up the ante a little bit, so to speak. So this time, when they get to an up, a ladder, they'll say go up. Or the next time they come to a slide or a chute, they have to say come down. And in the stack that they're going to draw from, every one of the words up and down will be paired with a different verb. So let's go again. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What phrase did that person get? Pick up. So they're going to do their do finger to the apple like they pick the apples.
Pick up.
They got to pick up. So maybe you have to pick up your room. The next person gets a 3. 1, 2, 3. What phrase do you get? Make up. Well, that could mean we have to make up after having a fight, or even that your mom or your sister or somebody you know puts on makeup.
Make up.
All right, the next person. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, they get at the bottom of a chute. That's okay. They pick their card. Take down. And the fourth person's turn. Oops. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they draw a card. Wait up! That's a great word, great phrase to learn to say. Wait up!
Wait. Up.
So that's a fun way that you can work on prepositions while playing Chutes and Ladders. In the video, I use Chutes and Ladders cards that I made for all the prepositions in the Unity 84 sequence program. For directions and more ideas, check out Chutes and Ladders cards and more at my Teachers Pay Teachers store. You get all the cards you need to start playing, and you get recommendations for teaching different sets of prepositions and tracking progress on a data form. Finally, you get a chart of familiar sayings that use each available preposition in phrases, many which use common figurative language. This is a great opportunity to discuss what these phrases mean and use them in conversation.